Let's learn some colors. Red color, yellow color, dark green color, dark blue color, purple color, brown color.